how to create a report in Wrike. Creating a report in Wrike is a great way to monitor your various stages of your project. And if you want to do this, ensure you watch this video to the end. Hello everyone, welcome once again to another tutorial. Like I said earlier, in this tutorial you'll be taught on how you can create a report in Wrike. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is sign into your Wrike's account, just like I have done here. And by the time you're signed in, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. On this page, you can see your home inbox, and then by the left side of the screen, you can see a navigation bar. In this bar, the next step is to move to the top parts of the navigation bar, where you can see options like search, inbox, more, and you just click on the more option. After clicking on the more option, in the box displayed, you can see options like dashboard, my to-do, request forms, timesheet, reports, calendars, etc. Just click on reports, just like that. Then after clicking on reports, you'll be brought to the reports page. On this page, you can decide to choose a template or custom report. That is, you can select one of the predefined report templates already, or you can decide to start from the scratch. To start from the scratch, you would have to click on custom reports here. Alright, so once you click on custom reports, you'll be taken to the page where you can now create your report. So here you can see you'll be asked to set your report parameters by typing in the report's name. So the report's name could be campaign report, for example, and then you can now select the type of reports here. Do you want it to be under tax? Do you want it to be under projects, time entries, or users? For me, I'll make mine to be under projects. And then once you're done, you can now see the kind of report it is, which is custom reports. If you want to change it, you can change it to weekly project status or projects this month. And then you can select the location too. Where do you want it to be? Under personal, marketing, or advertisement? For me, I want it to be under marketing. And then here, you have to select a data source. So you can select a project, a folder, or a space for it. So for me, I'll be selecting marketing team as well. Then you have to select where it is based on. All right, so it is based on projects. All right, and then you can select the kind of layout you want, and you can select the group you want. And then you can now come over here and add a custom field or select any of this field for the projects. Okay, so this is how it works. This is how it works. So once you are done, you move to the lower left corner of the box displayed, click on create, and just like that, your report has been created. All right, and then you can now customize this and keep on updating and updating even as you continue with your progress. So this is it. I hope this tutorial has been very helpful. Thanks for watching, and ensure you have a good day.